Well, I don't think I can play any more of that without Bruno Mars's attorneys knocking on my front door. Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we're back in Atlantic City on the Atlantic City Boardwalk, more specifically on the Steel Pier. I know we were just here a few weeks ago, but I wanted to visit the Steel Pier with you guys at night just to show off how beautiful it is. Do you like bright lights? Do you like live music? Do you like games of chance? Do you like being taken for a ride? If you do, then any of these casinos on the boardwalk would be a nice place for you to visit. However, tonight we're going to visit the Steel Pier, which has all of those features, and you might go home with a little more coin in your pocket. I decided to edit and format this video in the same manner that I've done a couple of my walks recently, by letting the background noises and talking and things like that come through on the video, and me doing very little commentary and playing very little music. Your comments recently suggested that you guys like those kind of videos when I'm doing a walk. However, there are one or two areas on this video where some of the attractions were playing very loud popular music, which I cannot do on this video. So if we're walking along and suddenly you hear smoked kielbasa polka, you'll know we're in one of those areas. So let's get started, shall we? And a 1, and a 2, and a 3. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. And yet another shout out to Wise Malik, who found Mitzi, the rubber ducky showgirl, in one of my latest Las Vegas videos at the Cosmopolitan. That was just yesterday, as a matter of fact. Congratulations, Wise Malik, once again. And a 1, and a 2, and a 3. That's my Lawrence Welk, by the way. Not very good. And now for your enjoyment, I'd like to play my #1 hit and lead the band with my song, I Love You So Much, I Wanna Poke Your Eyes Out. Well, I hope you enjoyed that, but we're gonna do one more verse because I think we're almost out of this popular copyrighted noise we're walking through. And a 1, and a 2, and a 3. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. And I want to thank you guys for putting up with that polka fest. It seems like all the music that I was trying to avoid was on the very end of the pier. We're past it, so hopefully no more Lawrence Welk. But I'm not quite sure until we reach the end. By the way, that observation wheel straight ahead, I went on it the next day, and there's a beautiful video coming out of the scenery from the very top. You can see from one end of Atlantic City to the other from there. So that video will be coming out shortly. As I approach the observation wheel, they're playing some country western. Not sure if it's safe or not, so I'm just going to talk over it for a moment and address a question that many of you had about Atlantic City, and that's regarding crime here in the town. I have to tell you guys, I've been coming here since I was a kid, and not once did I ever feel unsafe in this city. Granted, in the evenings I walk the Boardwalk, and if I'm on the Bayside I hang around Harrah's and the Golden Nugget, or if I'm at the Borgata I stay there for the evening. I don't leave the hotel, unless of course I'm going by car. But during the daytime, you can go anywhere in Atlantic City and be safe. There are websites that list the most dangerous cities in New Jersey, including the top 30 dangerous cities in New Jersey. Atlantic City's not even on that list, so it's a very safe city to walk around in. I know there'll be comments at the bottom of this video regarding what people think about Atlantic City and the safety. I'm telling you from my own experience that I personally feel very safe walking around this town and in the buildings, casinos, hotels, and along the boardwalks and the beach and things like that. I've gotten comments from people who feel a little more at edge walking around the Strip late at night than more so than Atlantic City. So I don't know, I'm sure there's been comparisons done, but I feel safe in both cities. I'm just putting that out there. Don't forget to check out my book, 50 Attractions and Many Tips When Visiting Las Vegas. It's down at the bottom in the description of this video that you're watching. It's only $4.99, instantly downloaded to your computer. Tons of pictures and fantastic tips if you plan on visiting Sin City. Wait a minute, that's it? I have the band here. We were going to play another song. It's called You've Got a Pretty Face, But a Big Polka Nose. What? It's a big hit in Pennsylvania. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.